Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the total number of days in a month in your automation workflow. So a lot of users were willing to add or get the total number of days which the particular month have for the date they are giving. So for some salary slip related automation or for any kind of automation, users were willing to get the total number of days a month has for the date which they were giving. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So here I have created a simple workflow inside Pabbly Connect. I have selected the trigger as scheduled by Pabbly. So this automation is going to get scheduled once over here. Instead of this, you can basically select any trigger application or any automation workflow of your choice. Now to get the total number of days, first we have to enter the date. So here in the next step, using datetime formatter by Pabbly, I have added the current date, the date at which this automation workflow will run. And here guys, you can see that we have received a response of current date over here. Then after this, once again using datetime formatter by Pabbly, we have selected the action event as format date only. Now we have selected this because we have received the current date, but to get the total number of days in a month, we have to mention the name of the month in the date as well. So we have selected two format, a format in which we have the name of the month like this or this particular format in this way. So to count the total number of days, to get the total number of days in a particular month, we have to get the date. We have to enter the date in this particular format where we have the name of the month in the date. Now, after getting the date in this format, what we have to do, we will just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. And here in Choose App, we have to search for Number Formatter. Just select Number Formatter over here. After selecting Number Formatter in Action Event from this drop down, we are going to select the action event as Spreadsheet Formulas. And then just click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, here we get the field of formula. So to get the total number of days, we are going to use a spreadsheet formula. And the formula is, first we have to enter day, then we have to open the bracket, and then we have to enter the formula as EO months. Then once again, we have to open the bracket, and here in this, in single quotes, we have to basically mention the date for which we want to get the total number of days. So we have opened the bracket, and then we have to map the date over here. Let's close the quote, then add a comma, add 0, and close these brackets. So here in this way, by this formula of day EO month, we can basically get the total number of days this particular month has. So we have added a date of month May, 25th of May 2023. And we all know in May, we have 31 days. So when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, here you will see that in response, we will receive 31 over here. In this way, whatever date you are going to enter over here, the month, the total number of days which we will be having in that month mentioned in the date, we will get that response over here. Now let's check it once again. I'll just change the date over here. For example, I'll enter the date as Jan 5, 2023. So we all know January also have 31 days. So I will just click on Save and Send Test Request. And once again, we will see, we will get the result as 31. Now let me change the month this time. I'll just enter 5th of Feb 2023. I'm entering this date, and February has 21 days. We all know. So we will see, we'll just click on Save and Send Test Request. And then here you can see that we have received the response as 28. So the February month of 2023 had 28 days in it. Now if I change the year to 2024, so 2024 is going to be a leap year. So the Feb month of 2024 will have 29 days in it. So if we change the year and hit on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see the response is 29. So the Feb month of 2024 will have 29 days in it. Now if I change the month once again, we'll change the month to June, for example. So I'll just change the month to June and click on Save and Send Test Request. And then we will see, we will get the response of 30. So as we all know, the month of June has 30 days in it. So in this way, you can basically get the total number of days the month has for the date which you have given in response over here. In this way, you can use this response of total number of days of the month in your automation workflow as per your use case. So this was a simple short video, and in this video, we have discussed how you can get the total number of days in a month in your automation workflow for the date which you have given. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.